Hi, in today's video, we are going to discuss about microservices architecture, which is in context to the development of business critical enterprise applications and all that. As we all know, when we are developing an business critical applications from an enterprise level context, wherein we need to deliver changes in regular intervals. At the same time, whatever the kind of measurements, what is that are we going to perform? All these things will be on Dora matrix. Now, in context to the business which thrives the volatility, wherein even to understand the uncertainty, complexity, followed by the ambiguity, all that, there is some engineering pattern as well as the process which is something essential important where whatever the teams are we delivering, right? So because either it can be an consumer team or it can be an order team or it can be a delivery team, all that. So using different software engineering practices, something like DevOps environment, which we are discussing. At the same time, the kind of practices which majorly defined. It majorly practices the continuous deployment where the team will also deliver a stream of small and frequent changes, which are to be tested by an automated deployment pipeline and as well as deployed into production. If you see this from the context where teams are responsible for one or more subdomains, whatever the domains are we talking about, one or different subdomains we have, wherein these subdomains and as well as implementation model of a slice of business functionality. At the same time, the kind of business capabilities and all everything will be consists of different the business logics, which consists of the business entities and all that are essentially important for us to implement business rules, adapters and all that. All these are useful to us to communicate with the outside environment. At the same time, the kind of Java-based subdomains where consists of the kind of classes, whatever are we using here, whatever the functionalities of the classes are we using, which are organized into packages that can be compiled under the .jar files, right? So we have different jar files will be there, .jar files, all that. So this is where generally all this information is being used for. But whereas the kind of subdomains implementation which the application behaviors majorly they consist of set of operations where the operations are invoked in one of three ways, like synchronous or asynchronous request from the clients. At the same time, the kind of events which are published by other applications and services, along with the kind of passing of time which mutates the various business entities in one or more subdomains. This is all about a microservices architecture in context to the development of critical business applications from the enterprise level context. Enterprise applications is all good. If you have any questions in regard to that, if you have any queries, all that, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.